So, ito na guys. Third iteration ng Tecno Spark Go 3. So, may 15 watts of fast charging ba? 15 watts? I'm not sure. Freelink 2.0 and meron siyang IR. And 4 years daw ang kanyang fluency. How we have here a 464, 4 plus 4 to be exact. Tecno AI. Yan, some of the specs. So, let's see kung mag-improve siya over sa Spark Go 2. Isa sa mga, I don't know, best sellers ni Tecno for last year. So, let's see kung there's any improvement for this year's Spark series. So, yeah. Tapos na natin. Medyo matigas opening. So, ayusin lang natin. Ayaw magpabukas. Yun. Naiipit siya So, yun. Natin. So, outright, we have the phone itself. Check muna natin what are the accessories na kasama dito. We have itong, lagi ko nakita to. Licensed by Qualcomm. 12+1 na warranty. We have yung, siguro yung quick start guide na dito. We also have yung, purple. Lang to Jelly case na purple. 15 watts of fast charging brick. Fast, well, not fast. A to C cable. And ito na, si Spark Go 3. Uy. 120 Hz na daw. Uy, guys. Mukhang not bad. Napapa-iPhone 17 Pro Max din siya. Ito iPhone 17 na design. Ito iPhone 17 Pro Max na design. So, ito yung kanyang gilid. Looking nice. May ano pa siya. Audio jack. Kanyang SIM card slot. And meron pa daw siyang IR. So, abangan nyo guys. Full review natin. Coming pretty soon.